Did you know that one person's courage can save hundreds of lives? This is Michelle's story. Michelle worked as a quality inspector at a steel company. One day she found cracks in support beams meant for a new city bridge. These beams were dangerous. They could break, but her boss told her to stay quiet. The construction deadline was close. He offered her more money and a promotion to approve the bad beams. Michelle felt scared. She knew thousands of people would drive on that bridge every day. She did the math. The bridge could fall down in just a few months. Hundreds could die. Her hands shook as she refused to sign the papers. Instead, she secretly called engineers to report the problem. She knew this would end her career, but Michelle was wrong about one thing. The city was so grateful they hired her as head of public safety. Her new job paid 3 times more than before. Sometimes doing the right thing leads to the best rewards.